Yo, yo, yo! Guess what I got? A memory card. 16 gig. Nope. What I really got is a DJI Spark. Booyah! So let's see what we get with the Spark. There we go. So there's a special deal at the moment with the Spark where you pay $6.99 and you get the accessory pack with it rather than, so I bought that one and I paid an extra 60 quid for the warranty because I've never flown a drone before. So let's have a look what we get. We get this thing, majig. We get all of the documentation, this disclaimer, the quick start guide, the remote control, the battery charger and the propeller guide. Hopefully I don't need all that to actually get it up and running, but we'll see. So we get a lovely box, and in here we have the actual Spark with the propellers on. It's so small, literally, that's how big it is. I guess this is the battery for it. Oh, it's just spare battery. It's the spare battery for it. And these are the extra propellers. So that's that, and we get the carry case as well. Nice little carry case. It's called the shoulder bag. So in here we get the micro USB charger and the charging dock stuff, I think. That's in that part. And here we've got some more plastic stuff to separate everything, but you have the controller, the charging for the, and it looks like you come with two USBs there as well. Means something, I don't know what that means. Come with the guards, 4 guards for 4 of the propellers, and the power bit, and that's it. So what we get: the Spark, extra battery, the remote controller, the charging dock, the power cables, and the propeller protectors to charging everything up before I use it. They've got LEDs on it of the charge, as you can see, so everything's charging up, and then hopefully we'll be able to use it soon. You need to flick this, put it up. It's where you put the SD card. Starting it up, downloading the firmware, and now I'm adding the guards because it's the first time I'm doing it. To turn it on, it's like a one press and then a long press on the battery, and that will turn it on. These are quite easy to add on. Just find the circle, click it round and click it. That's that done. My phone's on charge, that's why I can't connect it up, but everything is up and we're gonna take off now. Ready? So you press the button on the app, which is down here because it's charging. And it says to make sure it's safe. to control it left and right. Oh, stop it recording as well. Oh, what did I do? Started recording again. Oh, you can control the recording on the thing. Anyway, I'm gonna take this outside. Bye.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Cheers.